Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Żaneta, a Polish girl living in Taiwan. Today, I will be taking you along to Lihpao Land in Taichung. It was a family day event organized by the company where my husband works. This was my first experience at an amusement park in Taiwan. The lines were quite long, with some attractions requiring waits of up to 2 hours. Despite sticking to the kiddie rides, we discovered 2 attractions that were a lot of fun. Spanning across 200 hectares, Lihpao Land was initially opened in July 1998 under the name Yamai Recreation World. In 2012, it underwent rebranding and emerged as Lihpao Land. We had the chance to explore Discovery World, a treasure trove of over 30 attractions designed for all ages. Lihpao Land isn't just about rides. It offers a world of water fun at Mala Bay with 11 thrilling attractions and an outdoor theater. Don't miss the Sky Dream Ferry Wheel, Taiwan's largest, reaching a height of 384 meters. It also features the largest escape room themed attraction in Taiwan. Not only is it an amusement park, but you can also stay at the Lihpao Full-on Hotel, a car racing theme hotel, or simply shop at the outlet mall. Although we had to wait for about an hour or more, it was really enjoyable. Initially, we didn't have raincoats, but I must say, they were truly necessary. We got splashed several times, and we found the raincoats. We would have been soaking wet. However, our shoes remained pretty wet. Luckily, the weather in mid-October was still nice, with temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius. Although in Yaoli, we can already feel cooler weather approaching. It was almost 5 p.m. and an amusement park was closing. We decided to take a walk around the outlet mall before heading back home. That wraps it up for today's video. If you enjoyed my content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to also check out my blog about life in Taiwan. Thanks for watching. Bye!